Why was Simon de Montfort, 6th Earl of Leicester, such a significant person in medieval Europe? Hello and welcome back to Evenings with Partners, and we are now presenting our special news report about one of the most significant people in medieval Europe, Simon de Montfort, 6th Earl of Leicester. But before we begin our special discovery, here's a message from our sponsor, Gatorade. The scientific evidence to replace essential electrolytes lost in sweat. So, let's begin the exclusive insight to Simon de Montfort, his life and his significance. Who was Simon de Montfort? Simon de Montfort, 6th Earl of Leicester, born 1208, was the son of Simon de Montfort, 5th Earl of Leicester, and was the leader of the opposition to King Henry III, his brother-in-law, in the Second Barons' War. Simon was a very adventurous child and adult, and in 1240 travelled to Jerusalem to take part in the Crusades. He ruled England for under a year, and inherited the title Earl of Leicester in 1239. 1 year before that, he married the king's sister. Simon died aged 67 in 1265. What did he enforce or change while in English Parliament? Simon de Montfort changed many things while in English Parliament, although he wasn't a monarch. He had political control over the government even though he wasn't a monarch, the first time this had occurred. 4 knights were also summoned from each county by the county court, and were allowed to comment on general matters. This was the first time this had occurred also. He also summoned burgesses from major towns such as York, Lincoln, Sandwich and the Cinque, also the first time this had been done. Montfort successfully held a parliament in London 1264 to confirm new constitutional arrangements for England. Where did Simon de Montfort live in England and where did he travel to? Simon was born in 1208 in Montfort, France, and died in Evesham, England in 1265. Montfort died during the Second Barons' War, a civil war in England fought between King Henry III and Montfort. He was quite adventurous and travelled around across the globe, interested in King Louis IV and his actions. He followed him in 1241 from Syria, and again during 1248 in Egypt. When was the Second Barons' War, and what was the Second Barons' War? The Second Barons' War was a civil war that lasted for 3 years in England, from 1264 to 1267. It was fought between Simon de Montfort and King Henry III, who was his brother-in-law. A number of bad harvests and wet winters resulted in starvation and reduced taxes, so Henry had to approach the Parliament for funds. The barons led by Montfort eventually voiced their concerns and decided to oppose him, and then the war began. How did Simon de Montfort die? What did he die from? Upon hearing that his son had died, Simon de Montfort replied with, "Then it is time to die." Soon later, Simon was killed by Roger Mortimer in Evesham after being stabbed in the neck with a lance. Mortimer was one of 12 of King Edward's men who stalked the battlefield, with their sole aim to find the Earl of Leicester and kill him. Montfort's last words are believed to be, "Thank God." And that concludes our podcast on the life and times of Simon de Montfort, 6th Earl of Leicester. Please stay tuned to next week's episodes. Our next episode will be focusing on Robin Hood. But for now, my name is Paul Partners. Thank you for tuning into the show, and we will see you soon.